Welcome back to Auto Reviews, the go-to channel for in-depth automotive insights. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Toyota Tundra pickup, a powerhouse that's redefining what a modern pickup truck can deliver. If you're passionate about cars and want expert reviews, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Auto Reviews. Let's get started. The 2025 Toyota Tundra combines rugged strength with refined design. Its bold front fascia features a redesigned hexagonal grille, now larger and paired with adaptive LED headlights for improved visibility and style. The sculpted hood and flared fenders add to its aggressive stance, while the aerodynamic enhancements, such as active grille shutters and a redesigned roofline, optimize fuel efficiency. With 20-inch alloy wheels and new color options like magnetic silver and canyon red, the Tundra looks just as sharp as it performs. Under the hood, Toyota offers two powertrain options. The base model is equipped with a 3.5L twin-turbo V6, delivering 389 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. For those craving more power, the iForce Max hybrid system ups the game with a combined output of 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, both options offer smooth acceleration and impressive towing capacities of up to 12,000 pounds. The multi-link rear suspension and adaptive variable suspension system ensure a smoother ride, even under heavy loads. Plus, the new dynamic torque vectoring AWD enhances off-road performance, giving you confidence on any terrain. Whether you're hauling equipment or tackling challenging trails, the 2025 Tundra has you covered. Step inside, and you'll find a blend of durability and sophistication. The cabin is spacious, with seating for up to 5. Premium materials like semi-aniline leather, real wood trims, and aluminum accents elevate the interior feel. The driver-focused cockpit includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an optional 14-inch multimedia touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comfort features include heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and dual-zone climate control. The rear seats offer class-leading legroom, and the fold-flat design adds versatility for cargo storage. Toyota also paid attention to reducing cabin noise with enhanced sound insulation. The 2025 Tundra comes packed with cutting-edge tech. Key highlights include Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pedestrian detection. An intelligent trailer backup assist system that simplifies reversing with a trailer. The 360-degree panoramic view monitor, perfect for tight parking spots or rugged trails. A 12-speaker JBL premium audio system, ensuring exceptional sound quality. Over-the-air software updates, keeping the system fresh and functional. For adventure enthusiasts, the Trailhunter Edition adds skid plates, off-road tires, and an ARB front bumper for enhanced off-road readiness. Toyota has focused on improving efficiency without compromising power. The hybrid variant offers a best-in-class 20 miles per gallon city and 24 miles per gallon highway, making it one of the most eco-friendly options in the full-size pickup category. The 2025 Tundra is available in 5 trims: SR, SR5, Limited, Platinum, and the luxury-focused 1794 edition. Pricing starts at approximately $40,000, with higher trims reaching up to $65,000, depending on options and configurations. The 2025 Toyota Tundra is a versatile and capable truck that sets a new benchmark in the full-size pickup segment. With its bold design, powerful performance, advanced tech, and focus on comfort, it's a standout choice for both work and play. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button and subscribe to Auto Reviews for more expert car reviews and insights. What do you think about the 2025 Tundra? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.